welcome back to the channel. It's me, Searbear, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Searbear. It is so nice to meet you. Dun dun dun. Guess what we're doing today? We are back today with another recipe from the Stardew Valley Cookbook. Sarah, what are we making today? I am so glad you asked. We are making pepper poppers. It has a little blue chicken. Oh my gosh, isn't that so cute? There's like a little picture here. We have a note from Shane. We also have a queen's tip. I love poppers. I love jalapeno poppers. I like the bacon wrapped ones. I mean, anything with cream cheese and peppers and spicy and yummy. I'm consuming it happily. So I've been really excited to try this one. And I don't know if there's like a better way, but I always end up using the poppers along with a triple shot espresso, and I'm like zooming across town. So it's like an OP food for me. So it's really cool. I'm really excited to start to try this. There was an ingredient though that I thought was really weird, where I need cornflakes for it. I guess for the filling. I don't know. It's super strange, but I'm looking forward to trying it anyway. So I don't think I've made poppers before, but I know they're not that difficult. So I have a feeling we're in for an easy time here. So this is actually our first winter recipe. Oh my God, isn't that crazy? Oh my gosh, that means that we're in the last section of the cookbook. Oh my gosh, it's been so much fun doing the cookbooks during the season. I love it, I love it. But it is from the kitchen of Shane. It makes 20 poppers. The note says, you know, I'm not a food snob or anything, but I've got standards when it comes to the things I like. Sure, if I'm feeling lazy, I'll just grab a box of pre-made pepper poppers from the freezer and throw them in the microwave. But they're kind of bland. Sometimes I'm in the mood for something spicier, and that's when I break out this recipe. The peppers are baked instead of fried, which is a lot easier, and if you have any left over, you can throw them on a frozen pizza the next day. I don't think Sometimes Jazz helps me make them, and I have her wear gloves to protect her hands from the jalapenos. If you handle them barehanded with any cuts on your fingers, you'll be squawking like an egg-laying hen. Don't say I didn't warn you, and whatever you do, don't touch your eyes. I learned that one the hard way. Aw, Shane. I love Shane. Okay, Shane is like the one I always end up marrying. Well, it goes between like Shane and Sebastian, and his cutscenes are sad, okay? His cutscenes are sad. We have a note from him that says, if you handle the poppers and then touch your eyes, it can sting for hours. Just don't try to rinse your eyes out with beer. Okay, I don't think I was going to. We have a queen's tip for a less spicy version. Okay, we can just... But let's go ahead. It doesn't seem like there is too much to do. It's just these two here, so, I mean... Let's go. All right, and here are all of the ingredients. I ended up doubling all of the portions because I'm making some for my sister, so this is like doubled. Everything is just doubled, but really don't need a lot. Cornflakes, that's so strange. And it calls for red peppers. I couldn't find any, so I got yellow peppers. I'm sure it's fine. I'm so excited to try this. I bet it's gonna taste good. Duh. But I don't know, it does seem like one of the easier recipes, but I feel like it has to be made anyway because like these are iconic. These are low-key iconic. So I guess, I mean, it's kind of a good change of pace. It's good to have challenges, but it's also nice to like have a nice chill time. So I guess let's go ahead and get started on doing all that, and yeah. Preheat the oven to 425. Place the jalapenos on a large baking sheet and brush all over with olive oil. Then season lightly with salt. Roast until the peppers are just starting to become tender, about 5 minutes. Let cool slightly. Keep the oven on and reduce the temperature to 375. In a medium bowl, combine the cream cheese, mayonnaise, cheese, pickled jalapenos, scallion, garlic, and smoked paprika. Stir until well combined, taste the filling, and season with salt if needed. Use your fingers to coarsely crumble the cornflakes into a small bowl. Add the melted butter, a good pinch of salt, and a couple grains of black pepper. Use your fingers to mix until the cornflakes are well coated. Fill each jalapeno halfway with some of the cream cheese filling, about 1 tablespoon each. Use the back of a small spoon to flatten the filling and remove any excess that goes up higher than the edge of the jalapenos. Do not overstuff or the filling will ooze out. What if that's what I want? Depending on the size of your jalapenos, you might have a little filling left over. Save it to spread on crackers or use as a spread for a spiced up grilled cheese sandwich. Oh, that sounds good. Sprinkle the tops of the filled jalapenos with a buttered cornflakes. Place the filled jalapenos in the oven and bake until tender. The filling is hot and melty, and the cornflakes topping is very crispy. I love crispy. About 15 minutes. Let cool for 5 minutes, then transfer to a platter and serve immediately. Alright, and here is the reveal. Dude, they look so yummy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They look so good. What do you think?
I forgot you got yellow ones.
Okay, look at this tiny one.
It is a tiny one.
I'm gonna try that one.
Ready?
Uh-huh. It's pretty good.
Pretty good. That's a jalapeno popper.
I should have added more of the cornflakes on the top for more crunch.
They are, looks like.
My face is all red because it's hot and then this is spicy. But it's so good! Yeah, that's pretty good. It's spicy though. But it's so delicious! Well, there it is. Do I feel like I can go faster? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, this turned out pretty good. This turned out pretty good. I don't know if there's an easier way to put cream cheese, but it kept sticking to the thing whenever I was trying to put them in there. And I'm glad, because I was worried I put too much cream cheese into the thing because it literally like says don't overstuff, and I was worried I overstuffed it. So I'm glad it worked out. I'm sweating. But yeah. I think this is like the perfect thing for like a party snack, you know, finger foods and stuff. So I think this is something that I will be making again whenever I have like people coming over or something for like a little party or get together and stuff. So definitely being added to the remake list. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. It honestly didn't even take me that long. I started at like 2. It's 3:30 and I was also being slow. So not too bad. I was a little concerned about that cornflake stuff, but it ended up just being fine. So it worked out. It's so yummy. It's so yummy. Oh my gosh. Do you guys like poppers? I know that there's been some people who have tried the poppers. So what do you guys think? What did you guys think of this? Would you try making this, or is it too spicy? I totally get it. I know spicy can be a lot. There is a Queen's tip for alternative for something not as spicy. So I think it's really cool that they do offer that. I am so sweaty, dude. But yeah, I think it turned out really good. It was very yummy. I am a very big fan of the crunch, as always. I love crunchy things. So, yay! It was a success. I love it. I love it so much. And, you know, it's easy. I can't think of any other words to say, so yay. But I guess that's all I got for you guys today. What did you guys think about this video? If you ended up liking it, please feel free to leave a like or a comment down below. I don't know what else to ask, but I want to thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it until the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. I can't believe we're already almost done with the cookbook. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye!